who should actually be involved in agile portfolio management in your organization? It's really up to you. Organizations are different, and even they differ over time. How your organization works now is different than it worked 4 years ago, and it will also be different how it will work 4 years from now. So it's not possible to really give a static answer regarding to that question. However, it does make sense to have, let's say, the 3 levels, the tactical, the strategic, and the operational level involved. So also make sure that the current roles that have those focuses come together and make joint decisions, because it's never all about strategy or tactical operational, it's the combination of them. But the specific roles that have these focuses come together and do this. And they all need their external stakeholder focus, because that's why you exist. You exist to please your customers, to help your users. So every role should have almost an obsessive focus on customer excellence, almost an excessive focus on making sure that they help the stakeholders achieve their goals. So the question was, who should be involved? Well, it really depends on your organization, but make sure that the 3 levels join up together and have an external and outward focus, that they are responsible for making sure that everything they do together on strategic, tactical, operational is done in order to help the external stakeholders and please and support your customers.